Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my science lab. Actually, it's more like this. I am Mr. Sturgis, your life science teacher for the second semester of this school year. This video is going to do two things. The first thing it's going to do, it's going to introduce you to me and the classroom. And the second thing it's going to do is show you how to be successful in life science this year. Let me introduce you to someone. This is my buddy Scully. Scully helps me out with my videos sometimes, and Scully just hangs out in the classroom, and normally you would get a chance to see Scully all over the classroom at different times during the school year. Scully thinks I should take you for a tour of the classroom, even though you won't be inside of it this year. This is the view you would see if you walked into my classroom. As you can see, I've got 9 lab tables. In this side, I was able to open the door, and there's 9 more over there. And yes, I have a mega lab right now. I've got a gorgeous view outside the windows here. And get familiar with this site back here. This is where I tend to do all of our team's meetings. Now, I know you know this guy. Mr. Lacer and I purposely set up our classes to be very similar to ease the transition from when you went from social studies to science. Let me show you how similar we are. As you can see, I like to have fun with my videos. I try and be creative with them. I want you to want to watch these videos because of whether it's the background I'm having or the jokes that I'm throwing in. In order to communicate, one of the easiest things to do is to use Teams. Using Teams sends it to my watch. It sends it to my phone. It sends it to my iPad, and I get updates really quick, and I can get back to you as fast as I can, just in case you need help real quick. Another way is email. You can send an email to toddsturgis@generalmcclain.org, and I'll respond to you that way. Using Teams is the best way to communicate. If you have either a question for science or even a tech question, using Teams is the best because I can see your screen and help you through and work through your problems. Man, that's flexible. Flexibility in this classroom means being ready and willing every day to take on a new assignment, doing assignments at your own pace and at a time that best works for you. I will be flexible in the sense that I will give you 2 weeks to complete assignments. After 2 weeks, they are removed from Schoology and you can no longer do those assignments. Keep up with your work. When you get behind, you have to do double or triple the work to catch up. Don't do that to yourself. My assignments should take you roughly about 30 to 45 minutes a day. Let me show you how those assignments are organized on Schoology. Look at how beautifully organized this Schoology class is. So at the very top, you can see those old assignments. That's where I put old assignments. You won't be able to see that because it's unpublished, but they'll all go in there and I can go back into them if I need to. You can see that every day is labeled. It gives a day, it gives the date, and it gives the title of whatever it is that we're working on that day. You can see inside that Wednesday folder that there is a video, there's a set of directions, and then there's the assignment that you need to submit. Sometimes there's PDFs in there, sometimes there's multiple videos to watch. But inside each of those folders, every single day, you will find your work for that day. Also, in the updates for my class, I will give you some sort of welcoming. I will tell you what the agenda is for the day. I will talk about the Teams meetings that are going on for the day and any other information that I need to give you. Listen, everybody, I know you don't like these meetings, but we have to have them. They're necessary. The office for my favorite show does not like going to the conference room for meetings. However, I want you to enjoy coming to meetings. On Mondays, we will have large group meetings. Those meetings will take place at either 9 a.m. or 1 p.m. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I have broken you up into different groups. You will see that PDF in this folder where I show you which group you're in and which day you're going to meet. And you can also see those inside your Teams calendar app. Those meetings will be same times as the large group meetings, 9 o'clock or 1 o'clock, and check the PDF to see which group you are, G1, G2, or G3, so that you can come to those meetings. If you come to the large group meetings on Monday, you get 1 bonus point. If you come to the small group meeting that week, you get 2 bonus points. So every week you have the opportunity for 3 extra credit bonus points. So I would suggest you take advantage of that, and I will see you in the office. So how do you get all the good grades? My grading expectations for this classroom are the same as if you were here in person with me. One of the first ways for you to get good grades is to follow the directions. Every assignment will have a post inside the folder that gives you a written set of directions. The second thing or second way that I give you directions is right usually at the beginning of every video, or you have to go follow along with me with the video in order to understand the assignment. So follow directions, watch the videos. Those are the first ways for you to get the good grades. Another one is to make sure your assignments are done on time. Now, when I say on time, I mean within 2 weeks. After the first week, if an assignment is not done, what I will do is put a 0 in the grade book and mark it late. And that is my first warning to you that there is something that you need to get done, submitted to me so that you can move on. And if you're getting that far behind, a week behind, you're just making more work for yourself. So keep up with the work, and you won't get behind and have to do double and triple the work on some days in order to keep up. Scully and I really wish we could be together in a classroom, me teaching you my favorite subject and you in here doing some hands-on activities. But this is what we do right now. My class will be as hopefully fun as possible. I want science to be something you look forward to doing every day. I take time with these videos, and I hope that they're entertaining for you. And just overall, I'm really looking forward to what you have ahead of you and what we're going to do this semester.